Verizon Fios Internet Fast Hardware Troubleshooting Guide. Experiencing internet issues with your Verizon Fios can be frustrating. While software problems are common, hardware malfunctions are often the root cause. Diagnosing hardware problems is crucial to restoring your connection. Let's dive into how you can tackle these issues effectively. Router malfunctions. Is your router acting up? Routers can sometimes freeze or disconnect. A quick restart might solve the issue. Simply unplug the router, wait a minute, and plug it back in. This refreshes its system. Check the router lights. They should be steady or blinking correctly. If they're off or showing unusual patterns, it might indicate a problem. Consider resetting the router to factory settings as a last resort. This can clear any configuration errors. Think about your router's age. Is it older than 5 years? Technology evolves, and older routers may struggle with newer speeds and protocols. Upgrading might be a wise decision. Cable and connector checks. Loose cables can disrupt your internet connection. Ensure all cables are securely connected to the router and wall socket. A gentle tug can help you verify their stability. Inspect the cables for visible damage. Are there any cuts or bends? These can affect connectivity. Replacing damaged cables can make a huge difference. Don't forget the connectors. They should be clean and free from dust. Dirty connectors can compromise signal quality. A simple wipe with a dry cloth can improve performance. Have you considered the type of cable? Not all cables are created equal. Using high-quality cables, such as Cat6 or Cat7, can enhance your internet speed and stability. Have you faced a hardware issue before? How did you handle it? Your insights could be valuable to others struggling with their connection. Share your experience in the comments.